Hi, this is Angie Christine with Grinders 24/7 Magazine and TV. This is actually our live TV edition. I am so happy to be sitting here with this young man right here. You know his dad as Uncle Charlie, Charlie Wilson from the Gap Band. This is Tamiko Wilson, and I'm gonna let him say a little few words to you guys out there.
Well, how you guys doing? My name is Tamiko Wilson, as she already explained. Uh, just out here in Vegas, just really doing a little networking. I had a studio session with a couple of artists and a TV show recorded, live setting. So, now I'm doing this interview, and hopefully, you guys check it out.
Cool, cool. So, let me ask you a couple of questions. Being that, well, I look at your dad as royalty, the Gap Band, everybody loves Outstanding. You dropped a bomb on me early in the morning. How is it like, uh, you know, just knowing everybody was a big fan of your dad and hearing his songs and stuff like
Well, it's cool, for the most part, because you still hear the music and that lets you know that it's been real. Been done real well, and they had a lot of you know good sound to last to still be played right now. So that's a good thing. I mean, hey, and he's making new albums every day. So yeah, I mean, it's good.
that? Okay. So let's now talk about you. When did you start getting into music?
Basically, my mom said I started singing at 3. Uh, so I started doing that and started writing my own music at 7. And I started composing music, actual tracks, when I was like maybe 12. And so it just kind of kept up on from there. Yeah.
Wow, cool. Okay. Um, 3 artists that you can name right now, if you would like to do any kind of collaboration with, who would that be?
Oh well, it'd be cool to do a song with Brother Joe, because he got a good sound.
Classic.
Female artist, I would say Ella Mai. She's new. I like her
Oh
sound.
man.
I mean, she's good. I like what she's doing. And if there's anybody else, uh, of course my dad. You know.
Yeah. So here you've been around town here in Las Vegas doing some performances and stuff like that. Um, is there any new projects that you're currently working on that you can actually tell us about a little bit?
Yeah, I'm actually working on a project with LeGrand with Jada Pinkett's uncle, and also Kenyatta Vaughn, Henry Love's son. So we got the 3 kings going on. So that's a good thing we got, and also I've been featuring on a couple of local artists. As I said, the artist here I just came out of the studio with a couple of days ago. So for that, that's it for the most part right now. But other than that, just really trying to continue to produce my songs, my solos. I just came out with a EP, Happy and Royalty are the 2 songs, and then I have an extra one called Teach. So if you get the chance, go to CashAssetClub.com, Blink Show TV, and you'll see it there. You can download it, and don't trip on the money thing. You know what I'm saying? If you want to donate, hey, it's cool, but I'm not tripping. But I just want you to check the music.
Your style of music, what would you consider it? Like R&B with a little bit of funk, hip hop?
Yeah, a little bit, because we all come from the era of, when you go through, that's the only thing you got to count on is some type of sound. And so, my music is basically, down to earth. It's like the neo soul. I love the blues. I'm alternative artist. I'm an alternative artist. So therefore, I mean, I could do country, western. I could do not only R&B. I could do reggaeton. I could do reggae. I mean, I got all these genres of music that I'm in line with. So each time an artist come, or I say a new producer with a instrumental or any type of song that's written that I'm on, it's like I'm able to contribute something to it. So, because it's just like soul begets everything else.
Now, like I said, I know you've been around town, Vegas, performing and stuff like that. Um, Anytime soon you might be headed overseas?
Uh, it'd be a good look. I would appreciate going overseas to share my music. We just have to see. I mean, I'm not counting it out.
Okay, all right. Now, if you can look into that camera, um, give some advice to someone who maybe want to start out in music and they might be a little afraid, like what would be the best advice that Tamiko Wilson can give somebody that's starting out?
Well, as a beginner, thing is you have to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. That's number one. And always be original. Don't copycat, because everybody already hear everything that's going on. Try to formulate something that you can contribute to, and making it, like I said, original. So therefore, it's your brand, not no one else's. Because I get it a lot. Well, you sound like a dad, but I also have range, so I can do other sounds with my voice. Don't limit yourself. You know, don't ever limit yourself. The sky is the limit. You know what I mean? So therefore, you have to believe in yourself. Stay dedicated to your craft. Don't listen to the naysayers, and do what you must do to project what you feel, not what nobody else feel. But always understand that your music should be something that everybody should be listening to. You can play it around your grandmother. You can play it around your kids. You can play it around your mom. You can play it around your grandparents. You know what I mean? So therefore, it's like you got to have that voice that reaches further than just the garage or the car. And that's just basically what it is in the beginning, to get you on your way and keep you on a good path.
Okay. Now, we're going to close it up, but let everybody know how they can reach you if they want to, maybe drop you a line, say what's up, maybe ask you some pointers. Can you let my Grinders audience know how they can reach you?
Oh yeah, I just recently got hooked up with this thing called Instagram. I'm not with the technology and all that good stuff, but that's where they got me right now. You can link up with me on Instagram. Um, I think I successfully made a Facebook page, but if you see my picture, basically, that's me. Give me whatever it is that's on your mind. You can ask any questions. If I can help in any way, um, let's see what you're talking about, and I get right back at you and go from there.
Okay, so that Instagram link, what is your name
Oh,
on Instagram?
Mr. Wilson, 1973. Mr. Wilson, 1973. Instagram. I ain't got no music on there yet. Like I said, it's new. I just hooked it up, y'all. But give me a little time. I'm gonna link everything in, so everything, you guys can, have an earful. I want you to hear some good music. That's my only job. That's what I'm dedicated to do. Give you good music.
Cool. So, any shout outs, any last words you'd like to say to
All praise the Most High God, Yahweh. I'm just saying, I love the fact that all my people in Oklahoma, Texas, California, newfound family in Vegas, networking and all that. I mean, everybody keep doing what y'all doing. Hey, just always know that I got y'all in my prayers. Keep me in yours. Uh, just stay pushing forward. Blink Show TV, uh, K1 Productions, Uncle P Beats. Let's see, Open Door Entertainment, which is myself and my staff. Also, B&B Entertainment, as well as the lady here, Miss Angie. So, you guys, hey, just have a good time, man. Have a good time. And live life. Don't let life live you.
Yes. Well,
That part.
thank you so much, Tamiko Wilson. It's been a pleasure having you here in the studio. Again, guys, look out for him. He's got some great music coming out. Music already he has out. Check him out on Instagram, Facebook, and you will be also reading about him in the November-December issue of Grinders. This is going to be the last issue until January 2020. It's coming around. It'll be 2 years in January. Thank God we made it through. So, thank you again.
Thank you.
Thanks for this interview.
Thank you.
Peace out, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye-bye.